Morning, y'all.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Say please.
Could be us.
Say please.
Could be us.
Say please.
Could be us.
Today, I'm going to show you guys how to put some carrier bearings on a carrier without using a press. Yes, I said not using a press. So you're probably wondering how I'm going to do that. Well, I'm going to put the carrier in the freezer over there. I'm going to take the carrier bearings, I'm going to heat them up with that there diesel heater, and if that's not enough, I'll get a propane torch or a tiger torch just to heat them up a little bit. You don't want to turn these to where they start turning color, because that's when you start ruining bearings. So you don't want them to change color. Straw color is about the most color you want to have change in them. So we got to zero the crowner out. We're going to try to shrink this carrier down. As of right now, it should be sitting around 4140, 4139, something like that. And that's pretty good right there. And then the wheel bearing is going to be slightly smaller, because you don't want these things just to slide right on, because then the wheel bearing or the carrier bearing is not going to spin properly. It'll spin on this, and you don't want that to happen because galling will happen. So you want them to go on there, and then when it, from the heat, when everything cools back down to a normal temperature, these will be on there as if you pressed them on. So that's what we're gonna do. These things should be sitting about 20 thou smaller, and we're about 20 thou smaller, 22 thou. So I'm going to stick this in the freezer over there, stick these two carrier bearings, try to hang them up in front of that, try to get them warm, and I'll check them every now and then to see how much they've grown and shrunk. So I'll get back to you guys when I get things underway. Alright guys, so I got the tie wire, and I'm going to put these right here. Let's see if I can get, there you go. Just like that. I'm going to take the carrier, chuck it in the freezer. It's already cold because my shop's really cold, so. But I'll get back to you guys when that stuff cools down a little more and heats up. Alright y'all, I'm sorry. I already got one on, and was anticipating on using some Croil to make it slide on there, but as you look, I got a little too hot on that one side, so it just went right on. But make sure when you put bearings that they're going the right way, because here, I'll take one of these old ones that I broke up. See that little lip right there? It's rolled. This other side's square, and you don't want to put it on backwards. If you look close, there's a rolled machined edge right there. Well, if you put it the wrong way, she won't sit flat. So make sure you get it on the right way. So I'm gonna have my brother show you me put another one on. I'm gonna measure this guy first. 4136, 4135. So we're going for the highest numbers, 4137. I'm gonna come over here, grab the bearing. Just give it a quick measure here. Without it rolling too much. don't know if I trust these too much, but we got 41, 30, 29. So we're just gonna see if it'll still slide on. And it did. There you go. Make sure it's all the way down. There you go. I didn't even have to use my press method. Just have to heat them up and they'll go right on there. So this next clip or video, I'm going to show you how to put. So this is a track lock carrier for a Dana 35 8 1/4. So I'm going to show you how to assemble the clutch packs, put them in, put the pin in. I don't know if I'll get to the ring gear today, but I'll put all the spider gears and the clutch packs in with a new pin, and this is the kit right here. And I'll get the part number for you guys here in a second. Part number is 707165X. Should be for a Dana 35, and this also is to the same part number as the 8 1/4, and a few other rigs too that take this carrier. So I'll get it back at you in a second. All right, so on breaking in the clutch packs, you need to put limited slip supplement so it doesn't chatter, it doesn't wear them out in the first 500 miles. So you use it's a lubricant modifier. So I'm gonna make sure they fit on there, then I'm gonna flip it over. Then we're gonna place the spring back on, and then we're just going to put this friction modifier all over them, and then flip it back. And I'm gonna do that to all of them. And this stuff stinks, so shop's probably gonna smell after this. But it doesn't need much. Dab will do. Okay, so we got a bolt holding one side. We're gonna tighten it down, and then so these spider gears go in. Then we're going to use a brass punch, because brass is softer than steel. We're going to punch the gear that doesn't have the bolt on it, so it spins, and these are going to spin down and around where the pin goes. So now we're going to take the punch and hit right here on the spider or on the gears, turn this around. But I need somebody to hold this at the same time, so I'll get back at you guys when we're about halfway through. So we got them all rotated around, shims on either side. We're just gonna put this pin all the way through, and then put the new hardware in that it came with. Always put the new cross pin in. Put Loctite on this, and then you're good to go. All right, so we got the pin in there. Got it all lined up. So I'm just gonna put a little slight pressure right here. We're just gonna get a little tappy until it goes in. Now we're gonna put a little Loctite on this, because you don't want that coming off and having this destroy your rear diff or whatever it's going in. So let me go grab some Loctite here. See if anything comes out here. You're just putting a little on there. That's all it takes. See that? Just a little bit. Starter. 1/4" spline on these guys right here. Just like that. There you guys go. How to put carrier bearings on without a press and putting together a track lock for an 8 1/4 or a Dana 35.